Everybody, so there's been a lot of love since I posted the videos of the shrink machine. This is a 1/1 scale shrink machine from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids from 1989. So the original does exist today, is currently traveling around in an exhibit that Disney has been putting in museums, like the Bodies in Titanic exhibit. It's just like that. So it's a 100-year exhibit. They have it traveling. Now it has been restored since the film, and they've changed a lot. So note that if you're doing a replica, note which reference photos you're going to use, because if you use the screenshots from the film, that is a different machine than shots and photos of the one in Bowers Museum. The screen used restored version has a lot of differences. So the number one question, there's a lot of questions. Number one question, what's 3D print on this machine? Are there 3D print parts? So the 3D print is a very important tool in my field of bringing back parts that just don't exist. So like for Doc Brown's transmitter, I'll show you R2 here. R2D2 is entirely 3D print. So it is a great tool, but I wanted to keep this prop primarily real parts, meaning steel, aluminum, copper, so on. So I'll go ahead and show you. So this is the only 3D part on the entire machine, but it was the part that I started with for the entire build. So soon, once we get the right diameter, this will be CNC'd out of aluminum, and we'll replace this and then replace the body here. This will all be one aluminum piece. But the part that I started with was a tiny 3D print file. It was about the diameter of the inside of here. And I blew up that file to make the shrink machine nozzle. And again, that's how I started. So the rest of it is steel, copper, aluminum, some wood, screen accurate parts. This is a real machine that weighs 200 pounds, but the only part that's on it that's 3D print is the nozzle. Thanks again for the questions. I'll try and answer more as they come.